Let's see the syntax first. The map function applies the specified function to each element of the given iterables and returns an iterator that yields the results. It takes in a function and one or more iterables as arguments, executing the function on corresponding elements from the iterables, element-wise. If multiple iterables are provided, the function must accept that many arguments.
Let's see an example. Let's say we have a list of email IDs which are in uppercase and we have to make them into lowercase. First, let's implement this using a for loop. This way we will loop in the list and we will make every email ID into lowercase and append it to a list. Now let's implement this using the map function. Here we are passing the built-in lower function of the str class and our list of email IDs to the map function. The map function will apply the lower function on each of the elements of the email IDs list and will return an iterable. We are converting the result into a list. Alright. We got the email IDs in lowercase.